Every day I get excited about something. This morning when I came out to check on my plants, I didn't think anything that I had planted within the last week would get sprouted yet, but I was wrong. I have something. Look what's coming up. These are rhubarbs. I planted rhubarbs. I've got 3 of them coming up here so far. And one more. It isn't yet, but oh, maybe I see something right there. Do I see something right there? I might. Rhubarbs, oh, I love it. My new packet of microgreens that I ordered from, where did I get these? Don't remember right off. Oh, I think I just bought these at the grocery, at our local farm supply store. And it said microgreens, so it's a mix of things. And they're coming up nicely. Yesterday I talked about these, but I didn't show them to you. I believe I have 4 of them here that I have to decide exactly what I want to put in there. I know my lemon trees maybe, and maybe my tiny Tim tomato. Some of my nadapenos are coming up. The others haven't yet. Hopefully they will. I think I may have shown you this, and I'm not sure why this light isn't on. I thought I turned the lights on. This was that plant that I didn't know what it was, but I'm thinking that people are right when they're saying it's a pepper. And hopefully I've been taking the place of a bee, since I don't have any honeybees in my house, thank goodness. And here you can't see them real well through my little top that's over these, but those are some cabbages that are coming up. The other things in here haven't sprouted yet. And that's an Anaheim Pepper that's finally coming up. These have been up. I've shown you these before, but they're growing nicely. I've turned them around so that, because they do reach a bit for the light. Nothing much I can do about that. They've got as much light as I can get them here, but they're looking good. Those 4 right there are beefsteak tomatoes, bunching onions, and these are bell peppers. And these are cabbages and cauliflowers. They're very leggy. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Well, since I'm showing you other things that are growing, here's all of my other tomatoes. Most of these along in here are Brad's Atomic. And over here I have some, this very last row is Vernasage or something like that. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing it correctly. I don't know if I can zero in on the label. And you can, yeah, maybe you can see that. I've also been working on my computer to get a more interesting introduction to my videos that I post. I'll go ahead and see if this will show you. I'm going to, let's see. Let me see if that'll show you. So that's hopefully going to be at the beginning of a lot of my videos, and we'll see how that goes. Well, that was my excitement. That was my excitement for today. I know I haven't shown you a lot. Every little thing gets me excited in my garden. It reminds me of a couple of the other video people that I've been, vlogs, I guess they're called, that I've been watching, where people have gotten really excited. The Roots and Refuge is one example, and Am I Gardener, and the guy from I can't say it right. Anyway, the people that get really excited about their videos and the things that they're doing just warm my heart. So I doubt that, well, I don't know if I can even begin to warm anyone's heart. But I just want to let you all know that I appreciate you. If you haven't already, please go in and subscribe to my channel, Markward Meadows Gardening Channel. And notice I edited my channel name, so people were really struggling with how to pronounce my last name, because it's spelled M-A-R-Q-U-A-R-D-T. It's pronounced Markward. Not quite like it sounds, but I know people were just butchering it all to pieces, which is okay, but I like it pronounced correctly whenever possible. So I thought I'd put in the pronouncer, and that should help most of you. You'll eventually get it anyway if you watch all the time. So this is Darlene saying, happy gardening, and may the Lord richly bless you. Have a wonderful day.